So as I was scrolling through, I see this little pop here down, and this really just goes from here to here. So this whole thing shrinks down to here, a nested fractal. And then this point here is really just this chronological point here. But in terms of fractal structure, it's here and here and here and here. So boom, 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 fractal. So that's a euro pound right there. Took a screenshot and made a 4x6 card right here, right there. So this whole thing compresses down to here, 1 minute, 15 minutes. So each bar is 15 minutes, a nested fractal. So a very sharp impulse down, and examine it by looking at the 1 minute, looking at the anatomy, see if there's fractal matching. And in this case, there is. Not saying that this was too tradable, as it was pretty small. But still, fractals work on all scales. There just wasn't a lot of pips to be gained, because I think this was a 10 pip move from here to there. 16 pips. Would have been kind of difficult with the spread and all that. A very small move, but if with a quick and nimble, very tight stop, something like this, you'd have to really be just so tight. Because with the spread, it literally would have to look like this to compensate for the spread. So this is not a good physical trade, but it is still a fractal nonetheless from this 1 minute blow up being the anatomy of this little pop down and a little hook up. Right there, this little hook is this little hook here. But in terms of fractal matching, it's this two little blue lines and these two. And what you're trading is this little pullback and then continuation. So there wasn't a whole lot of downside after this. This is a very small, tiny move. If you wanted to trade this, you would have to be aware of that. It's all about just being aware of what you're looking at and what you're trading